Bagel today with butter and my 45 pounds of soft bacon at the Knapp Street Deli. Thanks, guys. Joe, I brought you a present.
Wow. Stuffed hot peppers?
Yeah. And I already ate one.
Let me taste one of these. Wow. Holy crap. Better than good.
Chunk, thick chunk. Thick chunk. Chunky. Open wide for Chunky.
Chunky. What a chunk of chocolate.
That kind.
What a chunk of chocolate.
Left.
The stuffed peppers were good. Nothing. I ate them all.
Oh, and what are you eating, a tinfoil now?
Good.
Next one coming up.
5 minutes. Right?
There he is.
What's it, 5 minutes?
5 minutes. Oh, nice. And a release. Oh, what the hell are you doing now?
I'm walking the crab. Walking the crab.
You're not walking like a man? Well, what?
I'm walking back.
The waiting game ended. Release.
How foggy was it out there? Foggy?
Yeah, that's why I came in. I was at West Bank. Do me a favor, Joe. Can you take a good picture of the boat?
Oh, I'll take it right now.
I want to get the whole thing. Because let me get away. Close.
Mush! Mush!
I just stepped on my lead and my crab. I got all butter all over me.
It's supposed to be on your roll.
That's why I missed the fish. My hands are all slimy now. Greasy.
Fish on for Joe. Here he comes, his number one.
Whoa. Okay.
Let me go.
Yeah, wait.
Let me go.
If you take the butter off your hands,
Okay.
the release. Here comes Tony. With his 3 nice keeper blackfish. Take it easy, Tony.
Oh, please release me. Let me go.
End of day. Misty, foggy day today. We managed four tog. All shorts, nothing even close to a keeper. Thanks for the invite again, Joseph.
Anytime, George.
Every time I see your face, it reminds me of the places we used to go. But all I've got is a photograph.
Chunky. What a chunk of chocolate.
This is the end, beautiful friend. This is the end.